All right, here we are in a parking garage, and you might think this is actually an odd place to start out a room tour video. Well, that's actually because our room is just back here. We're in a 1-bedroom premium ocean view villa here at the Westin Kaanapali Ocean Resort Villas North. So if you want to see this unit and the wonderful view that we have, stick around. I'm going to take you inside and take a look right after this. When we come into this 1-bedroom premium villa at the Westin Kaanapali Ocean Resort Villas North, inside this little entryway here, we do have a small closet. So in here, looks like we have a laundry basket. There is an ironing board. And then down here, it looks like there's a little step stool, as well as a broom, dustpan, and a sweeper. Also in here, and just across from that, we do have the lock-off door. So this actually goes to the other side of this 2-bedroom lock-off villa. Over there, we would have the studio. So that goes over to there. Unfortunately, we're just staying in the 1-bedroom side today. And then in here, we do have our in-room laundry. So it's great to have the laundry in here, something you're going to find in all of the Westin Vacation Club timeshare properties. Before we check out the rest of this 1-bedroom villa, are you interested in visiting the Westin Kaanapali Ocean Resort Villas? If you're on your way to the island of Maui, then head over and take a look at Red Timeshares. They offer premier vacation rentals to ensure you have a wonderful vacation experience in a beautifully appointed timeshare villa in a fantastic resort destination. Click on the link in the video description, the pinned comment, or scan the QR code here on the screen to explore Red Timeshares. They separate themselves from the rest. As soon as you find a reservation you want, you can book it and pay for it instantly on their website. And unlike other booking sites out there, you pay no additional processing or booking fees. You can rely on Red Timeshares to get your family the perfect accommodations in Hawaii, on Maui, and in many other resort destinations. Thanks to Red Timeshares for sponsoring this video, and now let's continue showing you this 1-bedroom ocean view villa at the Westin Kaanapali Ocean Resort Villas North. Now, as we make our way into the villa here, we're going to have the bathroom right here on the right-hand side in our villa. We're not going to take a look at that right now because we're going to go in here and look at the kitchen. Yeah, so here's the kitchen. Not really all that big, but it does have this really huge kind of countertop. Lots of counter space in here, it looks like. At least on this side, we do have 3 stools there that are kind of up to this bar area. Yeah, so here in the kitchen, we do have an oven with a cooktop, so 4 burners there. Looks like a really, really nice oven. We do also have a microwave oven up here. And let's see what we have in some of these cabinets. In here, looks like we have our glassware and dinnerware. Dinnerware and glassware, it looks like maybe for 6 people. And there's a measuring cup way up there on the top shelf. So yeah, that's our dinnerware and glassware, and look at that, a little tiny salt and pepper shaker like you find in a lot of these properties. Let's see if there's anything above the refrigerator. Hope not, because it's not real easy to get open, and nope, it's actually empty. Not really sure how useful that would be even for storage because it's hard to get up there. Anything above the microwave? Oh yeah, so we're gonna find the blender, and we have a kettle. Over here beside the microwave, we have, looks like some more glasses, some coasters, and our coffee mugs. And coffee mugs are useful when you actually have a coffee maker, so that's what we have there. We have a knife block, and this is the glass cutting board that they always seem to put in the Westin and Sheraton Vacation Club timeshare resorts. I hate these things, wish they'd get rid of those because they're actually kind of dangerous. Now, under the countertop here, we do have our utensils, our silverware, and some kind of additional serving utensils. There's some measuring spoons, kind of a vegetable peeler, and a bottle opener there as well. And then in here, we have, looks like, well, there's a colander, there's a baking sheet there, and there's also some mixing bowls there, and this looks like it's some type of, yeah, it's like a cake pan or a brownie pan. We have a serving dish down there, and some additional kind of little dishes down here too. Over on the other side here, we do have some additional cooking utensils. And then under here, it's where we're going to find pots and pans. Looks like we actually have a stainless steel pan and a non-stick skillet. Then across from that, we have the dishwasher. Some additional drawers here. This one looks like it has a wine bottle opener. Looks like maybe some salad forks and a salad spoon there. And then in here, we have the toaster. Oh, and there's actually an electric can opener too. Even more stuff in here. We have recycling, we have trash, and I'm sure there's even more to go. In here, we do have grilling utensils, definitely very handy, and some additional paper towels. And then we have an empty drawer, and these might all actually be empty. Nope, there's like a trivet for if you have a hot pot or a hot frying pan. There's kind of an additional bowl there, maybe for some storage, and maybe kind of a baking or serving dish down there. Then we kind of have our kitchen supplies, dish towels, coffee supplies. There are back here some Tide, so some laundry detergent, dish detergent, and then automatic dishwashing detergent as well, along with a little sponge here too. And I should probably show you the refrigerator here. We do have a freezer with an ice maker, and look at that. It's already turned on and there's lots of ice. And then down here we do have a refrigerator, pretty good size, with a pitcher. Okay, now we're gonna make our way into the living room and dining area. Kind of showed you this already, the 3 stools. Then they also have a kind of a dining room table here for 4, so you could potentially seat up to 7 in here. Though this unit actually only has a maximum occupancy of 4, but when you connect it up to the room next door, you can actually get in 8 in total. Yeah, really nice living room area here. We do have an end table, and it looks like there's some exposed, well, USB and power there. Yeah, some really nice artwork on the wall, and a really nice sofa there with kind of a chaise at the end. I'm sure this is going to pull out as well, and it does. There is a sofa bed in there. And then we have these kind of coffee table ottoman deals. These things just lift up. You can flip them over. There's some additional storage in there, and you can use it either as an ottoman or a coffee table like that one over there. There's also no ceiling fan here in the living room. Now out here we do have the patio, but we're going to take a look at that at the very end of the video. Look at the great views here from this ocean view villa. Yeah, over here we do have kind of a large flat screen television up on the wall there. Some storage down here, a lamp, and it looks like there's kind of a loose HDMI, so I'm not sure what you could do with that. It doesn't look like it has any give to it, so I'm not sure if you could plug something into that, maybe an Apple TV or something like that, but it's there anyway. So that was the kitchen, living room, and dining area. Now let's go in here and take a look at the bedroom. You have a really nice king-size bed here. Couple of nightstands. There is exposed USB and power, and that is actually on the side of the headboard instead of actually in the nightstand like we quite often see. And we do want to point out the ceiling fan that currently is actually going really, really fast. We do also have access to the patio from the bedroom here, and we have a chair over there in the corner. Really nice lamp over there, really liking that there too. Again, another large flat screen television up above a chest of drawers or a dresser there. Now we're going to make our way towards the bathroom area. We're going to find the full-length mirror here and a closet. This closet looks like it just has, well, there's an emergency flashlight, some bedding for that sofa bed. We have an in-room safe and some luggage racks, and there's some room to hang some stuff up here too. So now that we've seen that, let's go in here and look at the bathroom. So yeah, really nice big bathroom here. We do have big double vanity, big bright lighted mirror, plenty of towels. And then over here, we actually have kind of a jetted bathtub. So that's really good to have if you like that kind of thing. It does look like it's kind of on the small side though. Then in here, looks like we're gonna have, well, this is the water closet. So we have our toilet in there. And then in here, it looks like we have a walk-in shower. Yeah, so a really great shower here. You have the overhead rain shower, and then you have kind of that hand wand there, as well as you have some shampoo, body wash, and conditioner on the wall. So yeah, really nice walk-in shower in here. Now that we've seen all of that, let's make our way out, and we're gonna look at the view here from the patio. All right, let's see what it takes to get this open here from the master bedroom. Let's push those back. Looks like the opening's down here. Open the screen door. Open the patio door. Lots of locks and latches, but here we go. Let's take a look at our view here from this 1-bedroom villa at Westin Kaanapali Ocean Resort Villas North. We do have, looks like 3 chairs on the table right here, but there is a chair and a small table over there, so a total of 4 chairs out here. And then here's our view from the 3rd floor here in Building 7 at this resort. I can see what looks like a set of gas grills down there. And we also have a pretty good ocean view from this room. Then just over here, we do have a public park, and then across from that, the Westin Nanea. Beautiful property that we're also going to be seeing. And if you want to see a video from there, it will be a 2-bedroom oceanfront villa. So you'll want to check that out by clicking on this video right here coming up next. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help with these videos. And then, and as always, let's make your next destination a timeshare.